This is the Euro Australian dollar, and in just a few seconds we're going to get a sell trade, which I am going to take. And we've got this big conservative red bar. Now there was the signal to go short, so I am going to sell. Now I'm in the sell trade. I'm going to position my stop loss. So we've got the stop loss placed, and I will position my profit target. So we've got the stop loss placed, we've got the profit target placed, the trade is good to go. The reason we're in this trade is we've got these red dots, this string of red dots across the top. This is the TBL. This is the direction that we're trading. It is telling us to go short because it's red, so we are going short. Now the market had moved down, the price was underneath these indicators, and we had some red bars on the tetragram. Now we did have the pullback that we're looking for the setup, and that turned these big red bars into smaller red or small gray bars. Now that we've got that setup, we were looking for the signal, which is what happened on this big gray bar here. We got the signal as this big red tetragram bar appeared. All of the arrows in the arrow panel are red, so we are good to go. Now, from this point on, I'm simply going to let this trade run. So I am going to record it as this trade does play out. And when we win this trade, I will be back. I'm back, and this was a really nice smooth trade. We got into the trade on this bigger candle here, and what followed was just a straight down move of candles that were a little bit smaller, but we had no problem along the way. There was no pullbacks, there was nothing to be worried about, and this was a nice, clean, profitable trade. So let's take a look and see what the profit on this trade was. So this being the Euro Australian dollar, we went short, and on this one, after hitting the take profit, we made $5,429.56. Now again, this was a really nice, clean, smooth trade thanks to the Tradeonix trading system. And I want to thank you for watching this live trade, and I'll see you in another live trade video.